How to be grateful. Powerful technique. Hello world, Son of the Soul here, ready to shine some light. How you feeling today? How you breathing today? Taking in that oxy. Taking in that oxy. Look, being grateful is a feeling. It is a sensation that you have. And what you need to understand is that this sensation is a vibration. And this vibration is one of the highest frequencies a human can experience. Now, what is the point of all this? The way we perceive life is all based on our perception. Let's dig a little bit deeper. Your perception in life is the narrator that writes your story. Your awareness is the narrator that writes your story. So when you project a theme, and that theme could be, I am angry. This makes me angry. That makes me angry. The theme is anger. So what happens? The universe bends to your will. It bends to your will. And it's going to show you every reason why you need to be angry. I am oppressed. The universe is going to ricochet something to you that confirms your perception. Life is hard. Life is hard because you have a perception that life is hard. And the universe will bend to your will to confirm your perception. That is truth. Truth is what you make it to be. That is truth. The way I see life and the way you see life could be two different things. That in itself is truth. The illusion of my perception. I'm limited to my perception. That is truth. I don't know nothing. I don't understand anything. That is my perception. When you use gratitude, guess what? You change your perception, man. When you are grateful for things, the universe bends to your will and is going to present to you everything you need to be grateful for. That is the basis of manifestation. That's co-creation in its finest. The universe only believes in what you believe in. So it's going to show you the story of what you believe in. Do you understand? The universe believes what you believe in. And the universe believes in what I believe in. And if we have two different beliefs, well, those will exist in our own perspective. What I believe in will exist in my story. What you believe in will exist in your story. That is truth. So we're living in this world where there's a lot of tension going on right now. And we need to understand that being grateful is the cure. Being grateful puts your body out of the fight or flight response, decreasing them cortisol levels, increasing that oxytocin, that melatonin. Good night's sleep, let's get it. To keep our testosterone in check. Get that dopamine hit. Get our dopamine levels regulated, our serotonin levels regulated. The power of gratitude boosts your immune system. And it preps you for more to be grateful for. So, I got something to tell you. This is one way. I'm giving you one way on how to be more grateful. Get a book and journal. Get a book and journal. What are you going to do with this book? You're going to journal 3 things every day, every morning. One of the first things you do to wake up, go brush your teeth. Your breath stinks. Okay. Brush your teeth, wash your ass, do a little cardio or something, whatever, stretch, brush your teeth, wash your ass, go sit down and write on your book and go journal. And what you're going to do in this journal, you're going to write 3 things that you are grateful for. It's based on your perception, you will find or you will not find 3 things. So if you cannot find 3 things, then what you need to do is change your perception. That means your perception is stopping you from realizing what to be grateful for. It could be the littlest things, man. The littlest thing. Get into the habit of being grateful for something. 3 things a day. And what you do is you supercharge your day with gratitude. You always start your day with gratitude. And what's that going to do? Because you just woke up, you're on the alpha waves. You understand? Your brain is very subjective right now. It's very open to information right now. You're highly reactive to information when you just wake up. So you just bulletproofed yourself with 3 things you just been grateful for. 3 things. And guess what? Now you are projecting a theme, and the theme is gratitude. And when you are grateful, when you have the perception of gratitude, the universe bends to your will, and it's going to find you every reason why you need to be grateful. That's in the form of synchronicities, opportunities, random money. Yup. Money. If you have money problems, learn to be grateful. Money gonna come flying to you. Crazy. There you have it. That's my one technique that I do. Journaling in the morning on why I should be grateful, what I should be grateful for. And what you do is when you write this stuff down, you really feel it. Practice feeling it. If it's weird for the first time, of course, it's because you just started this new task. But over time, you on a biological level, you start feeling fully invested in what it is you are grateful for. You will feel that feeling. Damn, I'm really grateful for this. I'm really grateful for this. The rest is history. Welcome to the beginning of manifestation. Be grateful. Stay bright. Because you are the light. Peace.